Want to call your friends directly through Instagram without switching apps? Here's how to make a voice or video call right from your DMs. Make sure to subscribe us for more Instagram tips. Open the Instagram app, then tap the messenger icon at the top right of your home feed. If you don't see the messenger icon, update your app. Instagram now merges messages with Facebook Messenger features. Now, open the chat of the person you want to call. You'll see two icons at the top, a phone for voice calls and a camera for video calls. Just tap the one you want to use and Instagram will start ringing them right away. Make sure you both follow each other or have messaged before. You can't call someone who doesn't accept your message request. Found this helpful? Tap that subscribe button for more Instagram tricks and mobile guides.